is Andrea. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can set your point of attraction so that you can attract anything that you desire, including creating money without even having a job. So make sure you watch the video. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell for further notifications. This way you won't miss any of my next videos. Today I want to talk about how you can adjust your point of attraction using the law of attraction so that you can create anything that you desire, including money, even if you don't have a job, including happiness, relationships, health, anything that you desire. Now, if you accept that the universe is based on attraction, then you must accept that anything that you vibrate will show up in your experience. When it comes to action, we all know that action is the way we are manifesting in this physical reality. The majority of people use action as their singular component in the process of creation. But what if I told you there is one more thing that you need to do before taking action to receive everything that you desire? One thing that will determine the outcome of your action. It's like hitting a ball. It's not the action of hitting the ball that is the most important thing, but the position you're hitting the ball from and the direction that the ball will take. If you are hitting it standing on the right side, it will go in one particular direction. If you are standing on the other side, it will go in another direction. Now that you understand this, let's return to our today's topic. And we took the example of creating money. Let's say you want to create money. Replace the ball with the money and try to think of your vibrational state from the moment you are taking action. If you were to hit that ball from different directions, isn't that true that the outcome would be different every time? So where you stand will determine the outcome. Now, just like you already know the direction you want the ball to take, and you already know where you have to stand in order for your ball to get where you want it to get, the same way, you know what your desire is. Now you have to learn where to stand before taking your action in order for you to get what is it that you desire. So let's say that you want to create more money. Remember the ball. Is it the action of hitting the ball that is actually the most important thing? Or is it where you stand vibrationally that is more relevant? Action is important too, but if you are standing in the wrong position, then the outcome is not going to be what you desire. In order for you to create money, you need to prepare yourself vibrationally in order for you to receive them. And by that I mean, you have to bring yourself vibrationally in alignment with your desire. And then follow the inspired action that you feel like taking. You must be in a positive flow, in a positive mindset, in order for you to attract what is it that you want and create more money. Law of attraction applies in every moment. If you don't like what you receive, this means that you are in the wrong position. And law of attraction is bringing you that which you vibrate. Alright, now that you know what to do, change your vibration, change your mindset, change your beliefs. But how do you change your beliefs? A belief is only a thought that you keep thinking. The more you're thinking, the more the law of attraction is bringing you the same thing. And in time, you get to believe that this is your truth. Now, if you can change this thought that you keep thinking, then you could change your belief as well. With a brand new belief, you can attract anything that you desire. Feel good first, and then attract what is it that you desire. Because your good, positive emotions will be your point of attraction. So what is it that you can do if you see that you are not in a positive flow? How can you stop from a negative momentum? Now that you know that action is not everything, now would you still hit that ball If you noticed that you are in the wrong position, would you hit that anyway? Of course not. You would stop. Yes, you must stop each time you notice a hindering thought. Because if you go on from that negative place and take action from that negative place, then what you are manifesting will be far from what is it that you are desiring. The best way to practice this is to start with something easy, something that is not so important to you. This way, you can show yourself that this is really working. And next time when you try it, it will be much easier. Set your point of attraction and then take action. Not the action that this situation requires, but the action that makes you feel good, even when you think about it. And don't forget, the universe is here to assist you and help you. All you need to do is align with your desires. This is it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Let me know if you love this video in the comments below. Have a nice day. Bye.